All right. So this is NASDAQ doing a little forward testing, just to see if I can recognize patterns and levels and things during real time. So I'm just going to break down what I saw today, what I did incorrectly, what I could have done a little better, and then point out the reasons now why I see what I see now is different from what I saw earlier. So today we're going to start with our highs and lows. And we got one here. And that's our highest point. So I'm going to go backwards just for a second here. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to mark this one out because that's the one that broke. So if I mark them out just for you guys real quick, what I'm seeing this low here, this high. I see a high here. And then I see the low that was created from that high here. So we got 1, 2, and then I got the high here. And I'm gonna push it all the way through because if I zoom in, I want to see this high didn't close with a candle. It went right through it. So this is still, it's pretty much both of them equal highs, so to speak. And then we break it with this high there. So this is the low I'm looking for at 10 o'clock. And I have that marked out here in gold. And that's normally when I trade because the 9:30 gets real crazy. I want all that BS to get over with. And then the market kind of shows its hand. Well, it does. You just got to recognize it when it happens. And then you can kind of play it from there. So looking at 10 o'clock, what I'm seeing is we have this high and we have this low that was broken. So my initial thought is it's bearish. But what I like to play off of is a Fibonacci, the golden zone. So when I plotted this out at, oh, that's huge, bro, relax. Okay, so when I plotted this out at 10, we're here at this candle. We already kind of made a high, but I'm like, I want it to get up. I'm so fixated on this Fibonacci 618. I'm like, it's going to go up there. It's going to go up there, and then it's going to drop. So I'll zoom in a little more. I was thinking, okay, so we have a leg here. Boom, because we just took out this little baby high. This is what I was thinking. And we closed. I'm like, okay, we're going to draw back, and then we're going to go to the 61.8. So let me be smarter than the average bear, you know? And once it hits the 61.8, we're just going to fly up. Doesn't do that. It keeps going down lower. And now that I see why, this is why. So you know not to do this next time. You have the 200 SMA, the 20 SMA. We're ranging before 10 o'clock. And the 20 is damn near flat. You might as well call it flat. What you see is the candles, or really what you see is buyers having a hard time buying up. And you can tell, I'm going to zoom in a little further, by all these wicks fighting the 20, until it gives up and it breaks away. So my fixation of this orange line was so hard, I didn't even see the fight that was going on right in my trading time. So what I want to do next time is I'm going to pay attention to, of course, my swings, right? Because I want to catch the 618. But what I really want to do on top of that for extra confirmation is, you see how the 20 and the 200 are real close together? And then at a point, you see it spread and get further away, that's your trend. And if I would have noticed that, because I got clipped into this trade, I'll show you where I got in. I got clipped in. That's the wrong tool. And I was set up like this. So I risked 25 to get 25. And I got clipped because I didn't notice the fight. And real talk, I could have took profit here. It's like 15 points. Why? It's like 200, 300 bucks. Why didn't you take that? Because you're like, oh, it's going to do what it needs to do. It has to fight 2 SMAs to get to where it needs to get to. You should have took profit because really from here, I saw the fight. It just didn't click to me. So I know next time. And then it drops down further. And then we have a more structured move here, but that's a discussion for another time. This is really, I want to make sure I do not mess this up again. You're fixated on the 618. Stop. Look at these EMAs, look at the candles fighting, look at the bulls and the bears, and just kind of know that there's a fight going on and that these SMAs are helping you get on the right side of the fight. So, yeah. Till next time. Peace.